how to password protect a PDF file. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So if you want to password protect your PDF file, then you'll need to head over to your browser and then go to this website called ilovepdf.com, tap on it, and then go to PDF security. Then click on Protect PDF. Now select PDF file from your file explorer. Open it up. And then you need to type the password as you can see on the right hand side. And then just confirm the password by repeating it and then protect your PDF. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.